Okay, so ito po ang didecorate natin ngayon. Yan. At saka ito ang ating mga materials na gagamitin. Yan po, yan mga leaves ko, yung mga green. All of them are artificial po. At saka ito, millions flower. Yan. At saka yan po. Artificial po yan lahat. Okay po. Yan. Okay. So stay tuned. Kaunti kong nalalaman sa pag-arrange ng flowers. So, ito po ang final result. Ito po ang outcome niya. Okay lang po ba? So again po, if you have some recommendations or if you have some suggestions for my improvement, please make a comment po. And I know that your suggestions, your recommendations can help me a lot. No? Kasi po sabi ko po sa inyo, I am not yet a professional florist. I'm just an amateur one. Okay? So, sa akin lang is, I just want to share to you yung kakaunti kong nalalaman, yung ideas on how we are going to arrange flowers. So, this is it. Ito mo. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, pasubscribe naman, no? Okay? And please click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Love you!